Heart 3 is located on the inside of the elbow joint, between the tip of your elbow, right over here, and the center of your elbow crease, right over here. To locate heart 3, put your finger on the tip of your elbow, then move towards your crease. You'll come over it and off a bone. Once you come off the bone, push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is heart 3. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now locate and activate heart 3 on your right arm.